Hey guys, it's me Aiden and happy Easter everyone. So today the Easter bunny came and he hid a ton of eggs around our house, and this is just a bit of them. There are more in other places, but so he filled it and we decided that we would mix it in like different layers so it would look cool. And something new this year. Oh wait, he also gave us these bunny eggs, one for me and one for Ava, but we've already started eating them. And something different this year that he hasn't done before is that he's given us Lego sets. So here's mine, which is Hagrid's Hut Buckbeak's Rescue with 496 pieces and a light brick, and it says batteries included. And the figures are Hagrid, Executioner, Minister of Magic, Hermione, Ron, and Harry Potter. So it shows them there. And he gave Ava the Night Bus, which is 403 pieces, and it's got Harry Potter, Stan Shunpike, and Ernie Prang. So let's open up mine and see what we get. Oh, but first I'll show the back. So it's pretty cool. It shows inside Hagrid's hut, and it shows how the night brick turns on. It shows Harry riding Buckbeak, who is Hagrid's hippogriff. So let's open this up. Got my trusty scissors. And man, this is a harder one. There's one. And oh, this one's being difficult. Is it better to do it this way? Oh, I think I got it. Yep, I got it. All right, let's open this up. So we have bag one, which is pretty cool because we get a piece remover in it. We have bag two, and I think I can see a minifigure. I think I see Ron, Harry, and Hermione. Wait, is that Hagrid? And I think I also see Hagrid in here. Probably. No, wait, no, that's Hermione. And we have instruction booklet. Pretty cool. It has how many pages? 114 pages. Pretty cool. It has some stickers. And bag three. Pretty cool. I see pumpkins, a door, and spider and some more heads. So pretty cool. And oh, is there something still in here? Oh, and it's Buckbeak. Cool. It's a cool figure. It's pretty detailed. It's got the head, it's got the claws and all that, but you have to put the wings in by yourself. So I think that's it. Yep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Happy Easter!